Hello, welcome back. My life is Mathland channel. Today we will discuss about application of derivative functions. Let's move into the concept 1, the rate of change. Derivative represent the change of quantity with respect to another. dy by dt is equal to dy by dx into dx by dt. Let's do motion analysis. Velocity is the rate of change of displacement. The formula v is equal to ds by dt. Acceleration analysis. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. So the formula a is equal dv by dt. There is equal d square s by dt square. Because v is equal ds by dt, apply second derivation, we will get d square by dt square. Now circle area rate. Area changes, radius changes over time, which means the area and radius will change with respect to time. The formula differentiation of a with respect to t is equal to 2 pi r dr by dt. Differentiation of radius, which means the next concept, sphere volume. The volume changes based on the cubic rate of radius and dv by dt is equal to 4 pi r square dr by dt. Remember it, every quantity it must be the changing along with time, so it should be derivative with respect to time. Next, the rate of volume. The volume changes depend on the side length squared. So volume is equal to a cube, so dv by dt is equal to 3x squared dx by dt. Next, volume of sphere. Here two variables are involved, so the formula will be different. Clearly observe it. The volume rate. The rate of depend on both radius and height changes. So dv by dt is equal to pi into r square into dh by dt and 2rh into dr by dt. Next, rate of volume of cone. The change 1/3 of the cylinder is the rate. So dv by dt is equal to 1/3 of pi into r square dh by dt plus 2rh dr by dt. The next formula, CSA of cylinder. Cylinder CSA rate, the curved surface area rate is follows the product rule. ds by dt is equal to 2 pi into r into dh by dt plus h into dr by dt. Let's solve the problem. Question. A 5 meters ladder leans against a wall. The bottom slides away at 2 centimeters per second. Find the rate of top slides down when the bottom is 3 centimeters from the wall. So the base is 3 centimeters and height 4. So the sliding ladder 5 centimeters. Slide will be like that. So ladder is act as a hypotenuse and the wall height it must be y is equal to 4 and the foot of the ladder to wall distance is 3 centimeters, means x is equal to 3. So x square plus y square is equal to 5 square. There is equal to x square plus y square is equal to 25.
Differentiate on both sides. After differentiation, x square differentiation 2x dx by dt and y square differentiation 2y dy by dt, there is equal to 0. Take 2 common and send the right side. After you getting x dx by dt and y dy by dt, So 0, right side 0, it is 2 is no need of here. Next, final solve substitution. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. So dx by dt is equal to 2. So 3 into 2 plus 4 into dy by dt is equal to 0. So dy by dt is equal to 6 by 4 means 1 by minus 1.5. So the final answer dy by dt is equal to minus 1.5.
The next question. A man 2 meters tall and walks away from the 6 meters lamp post at 5 km per hour. Find the rate of which his shadow length is increasing. So let's solve the problem. Already here the diagram is given to you. Here once clearly understand the two similar triangles formed. So the sides ratio of bigger triangle 6 by x plus x and the sides ratio of small triangle 2 by s. After cross multiplication we will get 6x is equal to 2x plus 2s. After transposing and cancelling we will get 2s is equal to x. After differentiation we will get 2 into ds by dt is equal to dx by dt. So ds by dt is equal to 1 by 2 dx by dt. Submit the our given out inputs. Dx by dt is equal to 5 km per hour. So ds by dt is equal to 1 by 2 into 5. So ds by dt is equal to 2.5 km per hour. Slope of tangent and normal. Slope of tangent means m is equal to dy by dx at x1 y1 point, and the slope of normal means m is equal to minus 1 by m, that is equal to minus dx by dt.
నేను ట్యాంజెంట్ అనేది ఎలా మారుతుందో ఇక్కడ పొజిషన్స్ సహా వాటి స్లోప్స్ ఎలా మారిపోతున్నాయో మీకు ఇచ్చాను, ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకోండి. ట్యాంజెంట్ అనేది దాని పొజిషన్ బట్టి మారుతూ ఉంటుంది.
The slope of tangent parallel to x-axis, the slope is 0. Next, equation of tangent. The equation of tangent y minus y1 is equal to slope m into x minus x1. Next, equation of normal y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m1 x minus x1. The line parallel to the x-axis, so the equation is x is equal to x1. No need of finding equation model. Solve the question. Find the equation of tangent curve y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 1 and at point 1, 6. So to find the equation you need a slope. So slope is dy by dx. So differentiation on both sides you will get dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 4. At point x is 1. So submit 1. So slope is equal to 2 into 1 plus 4, that is equal to 6. Next, the equation of line y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So m is equal to 6. So y minus 6 because the point 1, 6. So y minus 6 is equal to slope 6 into x minus 1. That is equal to y minus 6 is equal to 6x minus 6. After solving you will get, so the equation 6x minus y is equal to 0. So let's move to the next problem.
Find the equation of the normal to the curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 3 at point 2, 3. Let's do the problem. Find the tangent slope. The slope of tangent m is equal to dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 2. So at x is equal to 2. So you can submit the 2 value. M is equal to 2 into 2 minus 2. That is equal to 2. Next, find the normal slope. So m dash is equal to minus 1 by m. M dash is equal to minus 1 by 2. Next, the equation of line y minus y1 is equal to m dash into x minus x1. So with the point 2, 3. So y minus 3 is equal to minus 1 by 2 x minus 2. So there is equal to 2y minus 6 is equal to minus multiply minus x plus 2. So the final equation. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel.